Today let's go over the Basque stitch. So I've got 6 strands of embroidery thread and a size 22 chenille needle. So bringing the needle up through the fabric at the left hand end of my design, I'm going to bring the needle down through the fabric about a stitch length away, and then I'm going to leave about half of the needle in the fabric for this next step, and just letting that point of the needle rest on the surface of the fabric. Now, leaving my needle and thread in the fabric, I'm going to wrap the base of the working thread around the back of the needle and over the front of the needle, just like this. And then ever so gently, I'm going to pull the needle through the loop, and then I'll secure it with a holding stitch just over the top. For the next loop, I'm going to bring my needle back up through the fabric just to the left of the first loop I created, pull it through, and then I'll repeat the same thing I did last time. So bringing my needle down about a stitch length away, but instead of coming all the way through the fabric, I'm going to leave a little section of it in the fabric on the top so I can wrap my loop around my needle. Pull it through, and then make a securing stitch. To end the stitch, you just come up to the left of your last loop like you're going to make another loop. Instead, come back down all the way through the fabric, tie a knot on the back side, trim your thread, and there you go. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you again next time.